welcome back to my channel. I wanted to get on here and pretty much I just want to film like a practice run of a date night look. So I figured why not just get on here and record it and share it with you guys. Yeah, maybe this is a date night look you could possibly use. I personally don't like using like foundation on my skin. So yeah, just stay tuned. For my eyebrows, I do use the e.l.f. Espresso shade, and then I am using an e.l.f. flat brush. It's an eyeliner brush, but I use it for my eyebrows. And I just like dab just like a little bit in there. I don't like brush it too much. I just brush my eyebrows up a little bit, and then I do like this little sweep motion thingy, and I do like light strokes on the bottom and the top. Very, very light strokes, and just like shape my brow. And then I kind of like lightly color in, and then brush as I go. I just fill in more of my brow, like when it gets closer to, you know, the tail. Like from the middle of my brow, like, so from right here until I get to the tail is where I just darken it. So I leave like up here pretty light. So now we're gonna do the other brow. So because I put too much right there, I'm just going to brush that out. I don't do like the extra work with like the concealer and stuff like that, because I like more of a natural look. All right, so next is concealer. I'm gonna just be looking here at my camera. Like I said, I only use concealer, nothing else. And I only like hit my dark spots, and I don't do too much on the forehead. I just get where I have like hyperpigmentation and dark marks. So I'm gonna look this way just because my ring light's right here, and then I kind of like, I'm gonna move my camera so y'all can see this better. So I like kind of tap it in and sweep, if that makes sense. And I don't even know, this is like a really old foundation brush. So yeah, I don't know if you can tell what I'm doing, but I'm like tapping in and sweeping at the same time. And like on my nose, I kind of tap it in. So I don't like to put too much on my nose, and I'll explain why. And I also don't like to put a whole lot on my forehead. I saw that Jasmine Tooks, she kind of had like a similar routine, except she does use foundation and I don't. But she does skip her, in one of her videos I saw that she doesn't really like to cover up her forehead a whole lot, and neither do I. It just doesn't look very natural. So I'm just putting a little bit more. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with a cream This is really old. This is by Estee Lauder. It's like a little foundation stick, but I'm just going to use it to contour. So I only put like a little bit right there underneath my cheekbones. I just noticed I don't have an earring in my ear on this side. Okay, I just put a little bit there, and I put a little bit here near my temple area, and then right there. Okay, so I'm going to go in with my Real Techniques brush and buff out this contour. And it's all about building it. So right now it's very subtle, as you can see, but you can always build it more. See, look at that. That's it. That is it. Okay, and then I just get my, so I pinch the brush, pinch it, and just brush or buff out upwards. I don't know what kind of shadow I want to do. I wish you guys could answer me. Also, I'm going to go ahead and contour my nose. So I only put 2 little lines right there. So my nose, it's like I am missing cushion or cartilage or something right here. So yeah, I do my contour a little, my nose contour a little different. Yeah, so I put a little bit under here to make my lips look fuller, and I put a little bit on my nose just to make it look a little bit more slim. Yeah. And so now for my nose, I just use kind of like an eyeshadow brush. I don't know if I'm the only one who does this, but I just use an eyeshadow brush, and I just do like very light sweeping motions, and then I kind of go up into my brow and brush it up into my brow. And then I use my finger a little bit just to kind of blend that in. So same side over here. And so like I said, I do it a little bit more outside because I have a weird situation with my nose, like on this side of my nose. Okay, and I'm just gonna brush that, buff that up into my brow. I also go down here, and this just makes my lips look a little fuller. It gives that illusion. Okay, so yeah. So just to lighten like where I contoured, I'm gonna take my concealer again. Oh, my nose is so itchy. I'm just going to dot there and dot there, because that is where the contour kind of goes a little too far out for me. I may need a smaller brush. Oh no, my battery's dying. But I'm back, and on my brief little intermission, I think I decided that we're gonna make this a chocolate bronzy look. Yeah, that's what I've decided to do. And I had to go ahead and set my under eyes because my concealer was starting to crease. we're not done with the contour. I'm going to go ahead and go in with my Mary Kay bronze in the color 4. And I only use like a little bit, like on the top, like what's left on the top, because this transfers like a lot. So I'm going to tap in here, and then like I said, I'm using this pinching motion, and I'm just going to tap along my cheeks, and then I'm going to kind of go up and tap, 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 tap it. And this is really like bronzy looking. Gonna put some on my eyes. Okay, so now we're gonna go to the eyes. So I'm not gonna make this like super, like, I don't know what the word is, but I'm not a professional, okay? I have my Morphe palette. It's upside down. It's kind of like faded out, so I don't know what Morphe palette this is, but this is what it looks like. I'm gonna be using obviously this side. So I'm gonna go on with this like burnt orange color first. I'm just tapping it. I'm just gonna put that up here first. Ooh, I kind of like that. And I'm gonna bring it like into my inner, whatever you want to call that, of the eye. I really like that. Okay, and I think I'm gonna make this a little darker. I'm gonna go in with a shade like above it and just go a little lower. I want like something more brown. Like none of this is like super brown for me. So I just used from my Naked palette this color called Lockout. I'm gonna put that all over my lid. And just bring it out. So I'm gonna do exactly what I did to this eye, just so you know there's balance. And I am using the same brush just because I'm not looking for like a perfect particular type of eye look. I just want it, you know, bronzy, chocolatey, all that good stuff. So I'm kind of like just mixing stuff around. Yeah, basically what I did there is I just kind of went a little lower underneath my crease with this Lockout color with the same brush. This is a potential date night look. That's cool. So now I'm going to go in with like this bronzy color and just like kind of put that on top of everything. And I'm gonna go on with my flat brush here. Ooh. So it's a little bit more gold than I wanted on this side, so I'm gonna like kind of go back in with my brush over here. Just kind of go over that a little more to tone it down some. Okay, I think I like it. I think I like it. I think I'm gonna use that same gold as a highlight. That's what I do anyway. So what I do as a highlight, and this saves me money personally, don't get me wrong, I do like highlights, but I'm gonna use that same color and put it on my cheeks as like a highlight, and just smile to really get it on there. It's my little secret. And I just use my fingers for highlight. And I'm also gonna go on my chin a little bit and then my nose. So I don't know what pencil this is, but I just found it in my makeup bag, but it's a chocolate lip pencil. I'm gonna outline with that. Okay, and I am first going to go in with my Bite lipstick. I don't remember what it's called. It's kind of older and it's faded out, but it's like a chocolate color. And I'm just dabbing around. Then I'm also gonna go over that with Urban Decay Conspiracy. I don't know if they still even sell this color. I haven't used a lot of these in so long. This just kind of gives it a bronzier look. It brings out like a golden color. So last is going to be mascara. This is Artistry 3-in-1 mascara. So you can like, so when you open it, there's like this thing on the end of it. You can twist it to make the bristles like thicker or smaller. Like, yeah, I don't know, I think it's pretty cool. It helps when you blink to put on mascara, so that way you don't get it on the top of your lids, because it's a whole nother situation you gotta take care of. I'm gonna go back in with my setting powder because I get really oily, and I'm just going to dab the top. Like, that's, you know, that's my thing. Just kind of set where I'm already getting kind of oily, and back underneath my eyes and on my forehead a little bit. And we are done. This is my chocolate bronze makeup look. This is a potential date night look. Give me a thumbs up if you think this is a definite date night look, or thumbs down if it's a definite no. And also make sure you hit that subscribe button down below if you have not already subscribed to stay updated with my videos. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you like videos like this, also hit that thumbs up and comment down below. And I will see you guys later. Thank you so much for watching.